And they wrap Tabel. Bronze Ace moving up down on the inside. Then comes Lim. Grand Story followed by Temptress running by the rail. Century number 2, Erica's Champ, Don Vicente, Papis, Diamond, and trading the group is New Dawn as they rounded a 3/4 mile pole. Bronze Ace followed by Tabel, Pag-asa running alongside. Down in Port Lim, Grand Story, Lakewood, Papis, Diamond down on the inside, Erica's Champ. Then moving up on the outside is Comitatus. Don Vicente is by the rail, second last Temptress, and New Dawn is still bringing up the rear as they race at a half-mile pole with Bronze Ace leading the field by about 4 lengths. Running in second is Pag-asa, Tabel down on the inside. Don Vicente, Comitatus now trying to unwind up as they rounded the last 600. Bronze Ace, Tabel. Then here comes Comitatus rushing up on the outside as they turn for home. Bronze Ace, Comitatus now in second. Tabel down on the inside. And down the stretch they come. Bronze Ace, Comitatus in second. Tabel is by the rail with 200 meters. Bronze Ace by about 6 lengths. Tabel in second with 75 meters more to run. Another win for Jackie Jeff Tagulao Sarate, this time on Bronze Ace. Tabel, Comitatus, Pag-asa, and Lakewood.
3, 4, 11, 7, 10.